Sir, kung sakasakali lang po, no, yung non-appearance, if ever, ng Vice President sa start ng impeachment trial following yung pag-summon ng impeachment court, what does that say, if ever, yung non-appearance ng Vice?
Well, we of course recognize the sentiment of the public that there's a demand to hear her personally address these allegations against her and face the impeachment court. But of course, we have to respect the rules, which allows the impeachment court to give her the option to either appear in person or through counsel. So ultimately, that decision belongs to her, and of course, with the advice of her counsel. So we leave it to her.
Sa amin naman po sa Bantay Sedado, while we appreciate that the decision belongs to her, it does not mean that we like the decision. Di ba? So ibig sabihin, tayo ang huhusga ultimately, di ba? Ang Senado ay hinuhusgahan ng taong bayan, ang respondent ay huhusgahan rin ng taong bayan. And sa aming palagay, yung the mere fact na hindi siya attend is again a disrespect to the process. Respetuhin natin ang proseso. Respetuhin natin ang saligang batas.